Alright, y'all, so how I made this custom lantern ornament that you can hang on a Christmas tree. So I am using my Oki Pro 8432 WT, which is white toner printer, and this paper junky transparent paper. With this here printer, instead of putting the images or your paper vertically inside the tray, you have to put this horizontally. So I'm going to remove this extra regular white paper and add this here transparent paper and print. And here is the image here. With this printer, you do have white, so you can see that this has some white in it. Look at the edges. So this printer prints white, and that's what I love about that printer. With this Epson, I tried using this regular inkjet printer, and listen, my prints didn't come out right. The paper was wet with ink. It got all over my table. So yeah, that's why I decided to bring out the big boy and use the laser. I got this here lantern from Dollar Tree. It was $1.50. I'm gonna cut it away from the lantern and put it aside. Don't throw it away. I'm using a really small flathead and Phillips screwdriver. Please don't ask me where I got this from. I wouldn't even suggest it if I remember it, because it was so flimsy. Here I have 3 screws, one on each end, and then a one for the battery. I'm only going to take away the ones on the ends, leave the one for the battery. You don't need to unscrew that. Once you're finished unscrewing it, get your flathead and just pop the candle holder away, which also has the light. Turn your light on. Make sure it works before you go through the trouble of putting it together. I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol pads, so wipes, just to wipe down the glass prior to putting my stickers on. So here I'm going to show you my image close up. This is, as you can tell, look at like different colors. One's going to be more of like a black and white on the back, and then the front is going to be a color. That black and white is because it lays down white toner in the back. I'm going to only use 3 images for this. It has 4 glasses, but I'm only going to decorate the middle and the side glass. I'm going to use the front glass clear. Here I purchased this Xyron from a yard sale. I paid $5 for it, and it had an extra cartridge, and it had a cartridge inside. So basically what this does is you can make whatever that can be small enough to fit in here into a sticker. And in the back you do have ridges to be able to cut it. So I purposely left some white edges onto the image, just so that after I put it through the Xyron, I can be able to cut a smooth, clear cut of the edges. Once you do that, get your sticker, peel the back off. Do not peel the whole backing off, because we want to make sure that it's going to line up correctly on the glass. Because if you put the whole sticker on, see that it's crooked and it's not lining up properly. Once you peel that off, you are going to leave white residue on your glass. So only halfway, peel it back a little, crease it and fold it, line it up. And when you see that it's lined, then you're going to pull your paper backing away as you put your image onto the glass. Basically, all I'm going to do now is do this for all 4 parts. And here, as you can tell, it's already transparent. So let's go ahead, get all our images taped up, stickered up, and cut off. And also apply them all at one time before moving on to the next step. Once we're finished applying all our stickers to the glass pieces, you want to kind of get some, I got Windex, cleaned it up, and make sure that I didn't leave any fingerprints on. I took some hot glue in the base of the candle and applied some fake snow that I got from I got this from Goodwill, and then the little gold leaf from Dollar Tree. Inside the lantern, you're going to see some grooves. So get your glass piece. Be very careful. This glass is very thin and it will break easily, and you will get cut. So be very careful when putting them back in. But you see that groove right there? That groove is like going to help attach your glass piece in place. So after I attached all my glass pieces in place, I wind up seeing that the 2025 was on the side, and I really do want that in the center. So I just took the glasses out and made sure I had that 2025 in the center. The colored portion of the glass I had facing inward and a black and white on the outside. Here I put a gold foam ball that I got from Dollar Tree. Came in a bag of black and silver. Correction, gold and silver. And I just put one. I tried two. It looked too crowded, so I just left one in. Once you do that, I applied my back, got my Phillip, and just screwed the screws back in, tightening it up on the battery piece. And voila, here it is. It is finished. And I really like how it came out. I am going to make another template for the top pieces just in case you want to decorate the top of it. And this one is, the one in my left hand is from using regular sticker paper. As you can tell, it's not transparent. You can't see it outside the window. So this is why I went with the clear. I also tried the gold, doing golds, painting the windows, the glass gold. I used chunky glitter. I should have used fine glitter, because after I tried putting it back in, it was so hard to get the candle back in there, the base back in, because of the chunky glitter. And I think I did it like twice. So yeah, I have to go redo this using fine glitter. But here are all 3 candles that I experiment with put together. Which one do you like? Which one is your favorite one? Also, if you don't like the black, guess what? It also comes in white. All right, so this is the holiday edition. My next one's gonna be memorial. So y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, and until the next video, happy holidays.